Green tea is special, but what makes it so unique and cherished by so many people around the globe? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating beverage. Did you know that green tea comes from a magical leaf? Yes, the Camellia sinensis plant is the source of this wonderful drink. The leaves are carefully picked and processed to retain their green color and beneficial properties. It's true, this leaf can make a delicious drink that is good for you. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. From improving brain function to aiding in fat loss, the benefits are numerous. People all over the world love green tea. Whether it's a morning ritual or an afternoon pick-me-up, green tea has found its way into the hearts and cups of millions. Its versatility and health benefits make it a favorite among many. It has been enjoyed for centuries. The history of green tea dates back to ancient China, where it was first used as a medicinal drink. Over time, it spread to other parts of Asia and eventually the world, becoming a staple in many cultures. Green tea can be bitter or sweet. The flavor profile of green tea can vary greatly depending on how it's prepared. Some people prefer it plain, while others like to add a touch of honey or lemon to enhance the taste. You can drink it hot or cold. It's pretty amazing. On a hot summer day, a glass of iced green tea can be incredibly refreshing. In contrast, a warm cup of green tea can be comforting on a chilly evening. Are you ready to learn more about this amazing leaf? The journey of green tea from leaf to cup is a fascinating one. The leaves go through several stages of processing, each step carefully controlled to ensure the best quality. Let's dive into the world of green tea together. From traditional tea ceremonies to modern-day tea blends, green tea continues to evolve and captivate tea lovers everywhere. Join us as we explore the rich history, diverse flavors, and numerous health benefits of this extraordinary beverage. Hello, holistic health lovers. We are so excited to talk to you about green tea. Here at the Holistic Wellness Realm, we love sharing healthy and delicious habits. Today, we're going on an adventure with green tea. Green tea is more than just a drink. It's a way to relax and enjoy a moment. It's a chance to be kind to yourself. Let's learn how to make the perfect... 3. Making green tea doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy a delicious and healthy beverage. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your cup of green tea. Whether you're starting your day or winding down in the evening, a cup of green tea is always a good idea. It's not just a drink, it's a moment of tranquility and a small ritual that can bring a sense of calm to your day. Green tea is also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. It's known to improve brain function, aid in fat loss, and lower the risk of cancer. So, not only is it easy to make, but it's also incredibly good for you. There are many varieties of green tea, each with its own unique flavor and health benefits. From matcha to sencha and from gyokuro to bancha, exploring different types of green tea can be a delightful journey. Green tea is also a great way to connect with others. Sharing a cup of green tea with a friend or loved one can be a wonderful way to bond and enjoy each other's company. In many cultures, green tea is more than just a drink. It's a tradition. The Japanese tea ceremony, for example, is a beautiful ritual that emphasizes mindfulness, respect, and the art of tea making. So, the next time you make a cup of green tea, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and beauty of the process. It's a small act of self-care that can bring a lot of joy and relaxation to your day. Remember, making green tea is easier than you think. With just a few steps, you can create a delicious and healthy drink that nourishes both the body and the soul. Enjoy your green tea experience. You decide. Green tea is delicious hot or cold. On a chilly day, a warm cup of green tea can warm your hands and your heart. It's like a warm hug from the inside out. In the summertime, iced green tea is super refreshing. It's like a cool breeze on a hot day. You can even add ice cubes made from green tea to your cold drinks. That way, your tea won't get watered down. Cool, right? Adding flavor, a pinch of magic. Green tea is a beloved beverage enjoyed by many around the world. Its subtle, earthy flavor and numerous health benefits make it a popular choice. But did you know that you can elevate your green tea experience with just a few simple additions? Let's explore how a pinch of magic can transform your cup of green tea into a delightful and personalized treat. Some people like to drink their green tea plain. They appreciate the pure, unadulterated taste of the tea leaves, savoring each sip as it is. The simplicity of plain green tea can be quite refreshing and calming, allowing you to fully experience the natural flavors and aromas. Others like to add a little something extra. By incorporating different ingredients, you can create a unique and flavorful cup of green tea that suits your taste preferences. Whether you prefer a touch of sweetness, a hint of tanginess, or a bit of spice, there's an option for everyone. You can add a spoonful of honey for sweetness. Honey not only sweetens your tea, but also adds a rich floral note that complements the green tea's natural flavors. It's a perfect choice for those who enjoy a bit of sweetness without the need for refined sugar. A squeeze of lemon adds a tangy twist. Lemon juice brightens the flavor of green tea, adding a zesty and refreshing element. It's a great way to enhance the tea's natural antioxidants and give your drink a citrusy kick. Some people even like to add a slice of ginger for a spicy kick. Ginger adds warmth and a bit of heat to your green tea, making it a perfect choice for those who enjoy a more robust and invigorating flavor. Plus, ginger has its own health benefits, such as aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. You can also find green tea with different flavors, like mint or berries. Mint leaves can add a refreshing and cooling sensation to your tea, while berries can introduce a sweet and fruity note. These flavored green teas are perfect for those who want to experiment with different taste profiles. There are so many possibilities. Just use your imagination. Whether you stick to traditional additions or get creative with new ingredients, the key is to find what you enjoy the most. Green tea is a versatile beverage that can be customized in countless ways, so don't be afraid to try something new and make it your own. Enjoy the journey of discovering your perfect cup of green tea. Green tea time. When is the best time? You can drink green tea any time of day. It's a great way to start your morning. It gives you a little boost without any jitters. It's also a perfect afternoon pick-me-up. Green tea can even help you relax before bedtime. Just don't drink it too close to bedtime, or you might have to make a trip to the bathroom. Green tea around the world. Different countries, different styles. People all over the world love green tea. In Japan, there's a special ceremony for preparing and drinking green tea. It's all about respect and enjoying the moment. In Morocco, they love to drink green tea with mint and sugar. It's sweet, refreshing, and perfect for sharing with friends. How cool is it that a simple leaf can bring so many cultures together? Green tea and you, why it's good for you. Green tea isn't just delicious, it's good for you too. It's packed with good stuff that helps your body stay healthy and strong. It's like a superhero in a cup. Green tea can give you energy, help you focus, and even make your skin glow. But remember, it's not magic. It works best if you eat healthy foods and get lots of exercise too. More than just a drink. Other uses for green tea. Did you know that you can use green tea for more than just drinking? It's true. You can use cooled green tea bags to help soothe tired eyes. Just close your eyes and relax for a few minutes. You can even use green tea in baking. Green tea cookies, anyone? They're surprisingly delicious. Share your green tea secrets. We want to know. We've shared our green tea secrets with you. Now it's your turn. How do you like to enjoy your green tea? Do you have any fun flavors you like to add? We would love to hear from you. Share your green tea stories with us in the comments. Let's inspire each other to live healthier and happier lives. Keep exploring. There's so much more to learn. There's a whole world of green tea out there waiting for you. Explore different types of green tea. Experiment with different flavors. Find your perfect cup. And most importantly, have fun. Green tea is all about taking a moment to relax and enjoy the simple things in life. Happy sipping.